Welcome. In this video, we will explore the concept of partitioning in SQL and how it can significantly enhance query performance in large databases. Partitioning is the process of dividing a large database table into smaller, more manageable pieces called partitions. This helps improve performance, manageability, and data retrieval efficiency. The benefits of partitioning include improved query performance by reducing the amount of data scanned, easier management of large data sets, and more efficient execution of maintenance tasks like backups and archiving. There are several types of partitioning. Range partitioning divides data based on ranges of values. List partitioning uses specific values for partitioning. Hash partitioning distributes data evenly, and composite partitioning combines methods for more complex scenarios. Let us look at range partitioning. For example, you can partition sales data by year, where each partition contains data for a specific year. Here is how to create a range partition in SQL. With the list partitioning, you can define partitions based on specific categories. For instance, you might create partitions for different product types. Here is the SQL syntax for creating list partitions. Hash partitioning distributes data evenly across partitions based on a hash function. This is useful for balancing workloads. Here is how to set up hash partitioning in SQL. Composite partitioning combines two or more partitioning methods to optimize performance further. For example, you can use range partitioning within each list partition. This method is particularly useful for complex data sets. Partitioning can significantly improve query performance by limiting the amount of data scanned. For instance, queries that filter on partitioned columns can run much faster since they only access relevant partitions. When implementing partitioning, choose the strategy that aligns with your data access patterns. Additionally, monitoring and maintaining partitions is crucial to ensure optimal performance over time. In conclusion, partitioning is a powerful technique for improving query performance in SQL. I encourage you to explore and apply these techniques to enhance your database management skills. Thank you for watching. Need your comments, subscribe and share.